Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download Solara executor update. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go to this link over here. So it will be mediafire.com/folders/ikf7rgcgvg2hs/roblox. And from here, just simply download the latest one. And as you can see, you will have here the date. So make sure you have the latest one over here and click on it. And after that, guys, just simply click on download. And from here, just simply select a location that you want to download and click on save. And in order for you to successfully download it, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the start menu and go to your settings. And from here, just search for settings and go to the settings. And from here, just search for virus. So from here, go to virus and threat protection. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for manage settings over here. And after that, just simply turn off the real time protection in order for you to successfully download it. Now guys, once you have turned it off, just right click on the file that you downloaded and click on extract here. So guys, the password will be new and then exclamation point and click on OK and just wait for it to load. And after that, just simply open up the application over here and you should be able to run it successfully. And there you go. That's how to download Solara Executor update. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.